Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence or AI can hear and interpret heart sounds? It's a process that combines technology, data, and advanced algorithms to improve healthcare outcomes. At its core, the AI will be used in the One Heart app to recognize patterns in sounds. To begin, we collect thousands of heart sound recordings, both normal and abnormal, from patients of different ages, regions, and health conditions. This ensures the AI learns from a diverse dataset, making it more accurate in real-world scenarios. Each recording is labeled by medical experts who identify whether the sound is normal or indicates a potential heart condition, such as a murmur or irregular rhythm. These labeled recordings are fed into the AI system, which uses machine learning to analyze the unique characteristics of each sound. Over time, the AI learns to detect subtle differences and can distinguish between a normal heartbeat and the faintest murmur, which might indicate a serious heart defect. Once integrated into the One Heart app, the AI works seamlessly with the smartphone and a digital stethoscope. A healthcare worker will be able to record a child's heart sounds, and within moments, the AI provides an analysis, highlighting potential abnormalities and providing a probability score for CHD, which will help guide the next steps of care. This innovation not only saves time, but also bridges the gap for healthcare access. It allows nurses and doctors in remote and low-resource areas to detect life-threatening conditions with the same precision as advanced diagnostic tools. By combining the power of AI with accessible technology, we're making early diagnosis possible for children around the world.